Halo guys, kembali lagi bersama saya Tony ya. Dalam preparation of job interview, of course in English. Sekarang kita akan bahas tentang questions about what you know about the company ya. Ini tentang profil perusahaan Anda ya. Yang tadi kita bahas sebelumnya adalah mungkin ya secara general. Nah, di sini what do you know about our company? Itu adalah pertanyaan standar ya. It is a standardized question. What do you know about our company? Are you familiar with our company's current projects and future prospects? Jadi sebenarnya kita itu di sini dituntut untuk research sebelumnya ya. Bahwasanya research itu penting ya. So in here actually we were demanded to have some research in order to find out what is actually this company, this factory is focusing on. Okay. So for example, the sample answer is like this. I know it's one of the fastest growing companies in Europe and has many branches in different countries. Ya, saya tahu bahwasanya perusahaan ini adalah salah satu perusahaan yang berkembang pesat di Eropa dan memiliki banyak cabang di negara yang berbeda. The work environment is pleasant and people feel proud to be part of the company. Ya, lingkungan kerjanya sangat menyenangkan, pleasant itu menyenangkan, dan people itu maksudnya orang-orang yang bekerja di sana ya. People feel proud. Orang-orang yang bekerja di sana itu merasa bangga gitu ya, to be a part of the company, untuk menjadi bagian dari perusahaan tersebut ya. I have read it provides full support. Yeah. I have read it provides full support to its employees on a professional front and offers many career growing opportunities. Ya, saya sudah membaca dari artikel ya, dari website ya, dari browser manapun seperti itu ya. Sudah membaca bahwasanya perusahaan ini menyediakan full support ya, dukungan yang penuh to its employees ya, kepada employees itu adalah ya staff-staffnya seperti itu ya, on the professional front and offers many career growing opportunities ya, terhadap perkembangan secara profesional ya, dan menawarkan banyak kesempatan karir ya, perkembangan karir seperti itu ya. Saya ulang. I have read it provides full support to its employees on a professional front and offers many career growing opportunities. I know it is currently working on a large scale project in the USA and that its major competitor is SpaceX ya. Misalnya gini ya. Saya tahu bahwasanya sekarang ini perusahaan ini sedang apa namanya, mengerjakan proyek yang berskala besar di Amerika Serikat, dan kompetitornya terbesar itu adalah SpaceX ya. SpaceX kita tahu semua bahwa ini adalah perusahaan yang menyaingi NASA ya, tentang pembuatan satelit, bahkan untuk travel ke Mars seperti itu ya. Jadi saya ulangi, I will repeat how to pronounce this, yeah, how to recite this within your real job interview. I know it is one of the most fast. Sorry, I know it is one of the fastest growing companies in Europe and has many branches in different countries. The work environment is pleasant and people feel proud to be a part of the company. I have read it provides full support to its employees on a professional front and offers many career growing opportunities. I know it is currently working on a large scale project in the USA and that its major competitor is SpaceX. Yeah. Okay. Useful grammar, jadi kita punya useful grammar yang bisa kita gunakan, yaitu superlative and comparative forms to compare or to contrast, or for comparing and contrasting. Contohnya, I know it is one of the most successful. Kata dasarnya adalah sukses, ya, menjadi successful. Sukses itu kesuksesan, successful itu sukses, kata sifat. The most successful adalah yang paling sukses. The most successful companies, perusahaan yang paling sukses. In Europe with greater appeal, dengan dengan penampilan yang menarik, yang lebih hebat, to young prospective employees, ya, terhadap pekerja muda yang prospektif, than other similar firms, dibandingkan dengan perusahaan-perusahaan lainnya. And then we have questions about current and past work experience. Sample questions. Who is your current employer? What are your duties and responsibilities? Why are you leaving your current job? Ini adalah pertanyaan standar, friends, dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Yang pertama adalah siapa bos Anda sekarang, gitu ya. Siapa yang mempekerjakan Anda sekarang? What are your duties and responsibilities? Ini tentang job description yang kita kerjakan. It is about our job description. So the employer might ask you about what are your duties and responsibilities. So in here, you must be specific. In reciting and mentioning your duties and responsibilities, on a specific division. Why are you leaving your current jobs? So it must be logical, friends. By the time we tell about our reasons of leaving the job, yeah, not merely, for example, because you offer higher salary. No, it is too obvious. We have to state it in a classy way. For example, like the reason why I leave my job, yeah, the reason why I left my job, the reason of leaving my job, my current job, is because your company seems more challenging and can provide me more opportunities for career and personal development. Ya, jadi kita nyatakan secara objektif bahasanya perusahaan yang kita lamar bisa menyediakan kesempatan kita untuk berkembang baik itu secara skill maupun karir seperti itu. And this is the sample answer, friends. I'm currently employed at SA Geoscience and have been working for them for the last 4 years. I have received great training and education there. I have been entrusted with international job assignments and a 10-member team staff. However, I feel that the time is right for me to transition the outstanding skills and experience I have obtained there to a different job market. And I'm confident that I can bring these same skills to your organization. Ya, jadi kita nyatakan di sini di mana kita sedang bekerja saat ini seperti itu. Lalu apa yang kita dapat di sana? Lalu apa yang kita kontribusikan di sana? Itu harus jelas. Ya, bahwasanya perusahaan yang kita lamar akan bisa mengukur, kita sebagai pelamar ini dedikasinya tinggi atau tidak, loyalitasnya itu tinggi atau tidak, seperti itu ya. So that the company that we are applying for can measure our loyalty, our dedication, our responsibility. So we need to state it very clear. The first one is, where are you working right now? And then what did you get from that company as your benefits? Yeah, both in material or in your personal development. And number three is about how did you contribute it? How have you contributed? How did you contribute to the company that you are working now? Seperti itu. Yeah. And then we have the useful grammar expressions. The first one is present continuous to express current employment. Yeah. For example, I am now or I am currently working at a company, a factory, seperti itu, ya. And then present perfect or continuous. I've been working in that company for 10 years and I got a lot of experiences, especially my personal development in programming or in computational sciences. Okay. And then sample questions. Have you worked for a similar company before? Sudah pernahkah Anda bekerja di perusahaan yang sama seperti ini? Tell us something about your previous employers, ya. Beritahukan kepada kami bagaimana sih karakter dari bos Anda atau orang yang mempekerjakan Anda. What were your duties and responsibilities? It must be specific. If you are in advertising, so you need to state the KPI or key performance indicator of advertising division. If you are in GA, general affairs, so you need to state clearly your specific duties or responsibilities or key performance indicators in general affairs, etc. How long did you work for them? So you need to state clearly. It shows your loyalty for that company. It shows your hard work or effort for that company. What major challenges did you face? And how do you find your solution? Ya, jadi bagaimana challenge yang kamu hadapi di pekerjaan kamu, lalu bagaimana kamu menemukan solusinya? Why did you leave your last job? Kenapa kamu atau kenapa Anda meninggalkan pekerjaan Anda? Ya, don't be too obvious like blaming the previous company because your company that you are applying for will not like it. For example, like because I dislike my previous company, they never give me any for example, additional or extra fee for my extra time, extra work, something like that. I hate my company because they never trusted me. Don't say like that. Yeah, but state something that, for example, I've got a lot of experience from my previous company. The reason why I left my company because I want a new challenge. I want to be in different levels of my qualifications. I believe my contributions, likewise what I did within the previous company, I can do it. I can apply it. I can contribute within your company maximally or optimally seperti itu ya. What did you like and dislike about your former employment? Nah, ini adalah pertanyaan yang menjebak. It is a tricky question, friends. So the best answer is, what I like from my previous or former employment, he or she or my employer or my employers, they gave me a lot of challenges for me to solve, so I could learn a lot of things that I had never learned before, and it